Hi coaches, I created a discount code for each of you so you can just pay for the court and collect the payments from your customer directly. So you just have to pay the court for $20 and collect the rest of the payment from your customer. So here it is. Okay, you just have to go to the menu and click the programs. Uh, Actually, under that, you can see the schedule a private lesson and then book a service. And under the book a service, you see down below is the products, and there's an arrow on this right, and you just have to click that and select private lesson. And then next, and then select coach. Select your name. It is important to select your name so you can get the codes for one each of you. So okay, I select Coach Hector for now, and and then select the number of players. I just select one player, and then next step, and then select the date and time. Me, I just leave as it is, and then next step. And then you just have to fill this up, this information here, and the next step, and then under that, scroll down. You just have to enter the coupon code. So me, I will enter the coupon code for Coach Hector, and then apply, and coupon was applied, and you see the total amount is $20. That's the price for the court. So after that, you just have to finalize and pay by a Stripe, and then that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can email me at my Gmail, and then please note that you should log in while doing this. Okay? Thank you and good luck.